Did you ever wonder why some SMD resistors have weird looking marking that doesn't appear to look close to its actual resistance value? Fear not, as there is a good reason for it. Resistors with tight tolerances have many values, so to accommodate the huge range of values, a new marking scheme was created called the EIA96 table. Check out my full range of videos in the description below where I solve all possible values. Let's look at one common example. 01C can be broken down to 01 and C. From our table we can see that code 01 corresponds to 100. C is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of 2, which equals 100. So now we have 100 multiplied by 100, which is of course 10,000. So the value of our resistor is 10 kilo ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.